These are the solar flare mini lights from Kraken. They're 8,000 lumens, and we're going to control them with a remote.
Let's see that remote. Pretty cool. All right, and that's going to attach to the housing.
To the housing, right here. But this in video mode, when you press the middle button.
Ooh, nice.
Full power. It's blinking, so that's the middle. That's showing it's in video mode. And as you dim one or the other, this is the down, so you can dim 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 levels. 9, you're done.
It's done by fiber optic.
Yes.
So it's a fiber optic cable that just hooks into the light. Nice. All right, let's see in full power.
All right, full power.
Wow, crazy. And that's from Kraken. And this is mounted on a Gates AX700 housing.